Hello everyone, my name is Rakesh Shirke and you are watching my channel. If you are new, then please like, share and subscribe and press bell icon, then you will get notification of my more videos. So let us start with lecture number 4 from Natural Product 1. We are completed 3 lecture. So this one is the fourth lecture of Natural Product 1. In that, structural features and application of chitin today we have to see, and it is for 4 marks. In that, first part is structural features of chitin. In that, the answer point number 1, molecular formula of chitin is C8H13NO5, and the small indicate again it is in the polymeric form or polysaccharide molecule. And the structure of chitin are as follows. This one is the structure of chitin. In this chitin structure, again 6-member cyclic compound is present in the first unit, and in the second unit again 6-member cyclic compound containing oxygen is present. So the explanation of the structure we have to see in the following points. Chitin is modified by polysaccharide that contain nitrogen. It synthesized from unit of N-acetyl D-glucosamine. In the second point, chitin is modified by polysaccharide. What is meant by polysaccharide? Number of monomer unit is present into structure, then it is called as polysaccharide. So this one is the monomeric unit and it is attached to another monomeric unit. So it is polysaccharide molecule that contain nitrogen. In this structure, this unit, first unit, contain at the second position, this is first position, this is second, third, fourth, 5, and this one is 6. The second position have a nitrogen. That means this chitin structure contain nitrogen in the first unit, and it is synthesized from unit of N-acetyl D-glucosamine. Why it is N-acetyl D-glucosamine? Because N-acylation take place at the second position of nitrogen. So acyl group is attached to this nitrogen. Then the next point is this unit form covalent beta 1 to 4 linkage, and this polysaccharide found in insect exoskeleton, fungal cell wall, etc. So let us see this unit. This first unit is form covalent linkage. That covalent linkage is beta 1,4 linkage. Where it is? This is first unit and this is beta form, because why? OH group at the upper side, then it is called as beta form. So beta 1,4, here is position number 1 of this carbon, and in the another unit this position number is 4, because here is first position, second, third and fourth. So 1,4 is the linkage of oxygen. Oxygen is the middle atom is present between these two carbon. So it is beta 1,4 linkage. So it is beta 1,4 linkage. This polysaccharide found in insect exoskeleton, fungal walls, etc. So what is meant by exoskeleton? Outer part of the fungal cell. Okay. Then fourth point is it is white non-toxic biodegradable powder. The chitin molecule is non-toxic, no side effect is there, and it is biodegradable. Biodegradable means what? It is easily decomposed. and its molecular weight is determined by viscosity measurement. What is meant by viscosity? Capacity to flow of a liquid. Then this definition indicate after measurement of viscosity you can measure the molecular weight of chitin, and it is found to be similar to wood pulp cellulose. What is meant by wood pulp cellulose? Wood contain the liquid part, so it is called as wood pulp cellulose, and this indicate the content of chitin present. Then next point is chitin on fusion with KOH gives chitosan, which on hydrolysis in presence of strong acid gives D-glucosamine. Let us see in the reaction form. Chitin fuse with KOH, it gives chitosan. What is meant by chitosan? Let us see the structure of chitin. When this chitin molecule is fused with KOH, after fusion with KOH, your molecule it get formed like this, HOH. Fusion with KOH means what? It is base hydrolysis. Then it get formed NH2 group here at the second position. Similar in the second unit, third unit, this fusion of KOH take place. That means base hydrolysis take place. So this is again linear form and it is called as chitosan. Okay, after that acid hydrolysis take place, then it gives D-glucosamine. As we know the structure of D-glucosamine, in my previous video I already tell you. So what is the structure? As we know, first position have a CHO group, second position HOH, third position OHH, fourth position HOH, fifth position HOH, and sixth position CH2OH. How to identify the glucose molecule is formed into D-glucosamine. The second position OH group is replaced by NH2. So this chitin molecule is fused with KOH, then formation of chitosan, and after acid hydrolysis it gives D-glucosamine. Simple. Then next point is chitin and acid hydrolysis in drastic condition gives salt of D-glucosamine and acetic acid. Further, this salt on hydrolyze gives D-glucosamine. This indicate chitin is N-acetyl derivative of D-glucosamine. Let us see in the reaction form. Chitin, as we know the chitin structure, when hydrolysis take place on chitin under drastic condition, then it gives salt of D-glucosamine, and acetic acid it can remove. This salt is in the amino form and acetic acid it get removed. Again alkaline hydrolysis take place, then it gives again D-glucosamine. That means you can say chitin is N-acetyl derivative of D-glucosamine. Then next one is application part. Application of chitin. First one is it has use in the medicine. Chitin is used in a many way to prepare the medicine and as a nutritional supplement. Second one, it may be used to make biodegradable plastic and surgical threads and as a food additives, etc. It is used to make degradable plastic means what? That plastic it get easily decomposed, and surgical threads and food additive also. Then third one is it is used in water treatment plant and dye industry to fix color. Fourth one is it is used in production of D-glucosamine. This use is already seen in the structural features, okay, as we know. Then the last point of the carbohydrate is structural features and application of heparin. It is again 4 marks and important questions. In that structural features of heparin, the answer is first point. In a first point, molecular formula of heparin is carbon 26, hydrogen 42, nitrogen 2, oxygen 37 and sulfur 5. So this is the molecular formula of heparin. Structure of heparin are as follows. This one is the structure of heparin and it is in the disaccharide form. Let us see in the following point. The point indicate the explanation of this structure. Second point, the most common disaccharide unit. Look at the structure. This is a disaccharide unit and it contain carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur. In the both unit, total constituent is present in the molecular formula. Okay, and it is composed of 2O sulfated ioduric acid. This first unit is called 2O sulfated ioduric acid. Why it is ioduric acid? Because it contains COH group and it contains sulfonic acid also. Then second unit is called 6O sulfated N-sulfated glucosamine. It is again sulfated and N-sulfated glucosamine. Where is N-sulfated glucosamine? Here, N-sulfated glucosamine. This is sulfate group is joined to the nitrogen. So this is completely disaccharide because two unit is attached to each other by this glycosidic linkage. The position 1 of this first unit and fourth position of the second unit is joined together and it is called as glycosidic linkage in between carbon number 4 and carbon number 1 of the first unit. The next point, heparin is one of the most essential medicine that is effective and safe medicine on the list of WHO. That means heparin is the essential medicine. Medicine is formed by using the heparin content and this is effective and safe. WHO can decide this is effective and safe medicine for human body. Then it is polymer belonging to glucosaminoglycan family of carbohydrate and contain variably sulfate repeating disaccharide. Look at the unit. First unit it contain also sulfated. In the second unit again the 6 carbon have a sulfate group and here is also second carbon is attached to NH and this NH again attached to sulfated. That means contain variably sulfate repeating disaccharide molecule. Fifth one is heparin is mostly given by injection into veins. In our veins, heparin inject in the liquid form. Then 6.1 heparin can be depolymerized by hydrolysis using 0.2 molar HCl for 24 hours at 100 degrees Celsius, result in the formation of desulfated deacylated oligomers ranging pentasaccharide. That means when heparin treated with 0.2 molar HCl and in the presence of 100 degrees Celsius and kept for 24 hours, then your heparin molecule is completely depolymerized. Depolymerized means what? The chain of heparin, it can break, and then the formation pentasaccharide of heparin derivative form. It is also called as oligomers. Oligomers means what? More than 4 molecules. It is called as oligomers, or it contain maximum 5 molecules attached to each other. So it is called as oligomers. Then next point is application of heparin. In the application, first point, it is widely used in anticoagulant and it is called as blood thickener. Second use, it is used in kidney dialysis. Dialysis means what? The filtration of the blood. Then third one, it is also used in chromatographic resin, acting as both affinity ligand and ion exchanger. That means heparin is used in the chromatographic resin, as we know the chromatographic practical. Then fourth one, heparin injection is used to treat and prevent blood clots and in the veins and lungs also. So this is all about the heparin. Now this carbohydrate part are it get completed, and remaining I will tell you in the next lecture.